Yeah, hi guys, Stephen up from my fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're gonna make some more deposit with our XM boundary. Okay, so we're gonna go down the bottom here, click on the spend from account, click on BTC, and start the process. At the moment, I'm still at the 6.2%, so I have to do all this manually. To reinvest all that 15,000 of mine with small amounts because I'm still on the 6.2%. They haven't moved me. Okay, click on process. And we have successfully reinvest 1,400. Now we're going to do the rest of them. Continue. Click on spend from account balance. Click on BTC. And put down the number, which is the maximum on 6.2 is 1499. Click spend. Then click process. Okay, that's successfully done. Now I'm going to do that a few more times. And if my camera's not camera work's not the best, forgive me. The wife has taken the computer to Australia that allows me to do the screen capture, but I'll capture it with my phone. There's always a way, they say, to skin a pig. And that's all you need to do to correct all your not necessarily correct, but to reinvest all your balance. Okay, instead of moaning and groaning about it, just go through the process and then reinvest all that money that you have in your account balance. Okay, that's another process time. And basically that's all we need to do over and over again until all our balance has been reinvested. And tomorrow we will compound our income. We'll have a look in a moment how much we made. XM requires me to pay an extra $500 because they gave me a $3,000 bonus before I can make any withdrawal, or they will shift my account up to the next stage, which should be at 12%. At this stage, I'm not interested in paying that $500. I'm just going to keep making money at 6.2%. Go through the process. 14 $1,499 each time. Until I clear all that, then we have done ourselves a huge favor. Okay, let's see, there's still $4,000 left in there, and we'll continue the process. Continue until all this balance has been reinvested. So we got $138 there left. That's all we need to do. One, oh sorry, 38, 33 cents. Double check. Spend. Process. And all that money should be all been reinvested. Let's have a look. Okay. All that money has been reinvested. Have a look at the date today. So you can see the 17th of November 2023. All that money been reinvested all the way down to the last $138. Okay, now that's for tomorrow. And the profit will be around about the $800. And each day this account continues to grow. And that's a way to reinvest all your balance with XM binary. Okay, now we go down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 transaction of 1,400. And the account is up to about $15,000 so far and continues to grow. Unfortunately, as I said, that's the balance to date. Come on, focus. Anyway, this is Steve Mindful from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video.